Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply monetization to your Facebook page. If you are a business owner, if you are having a Facebook page, you can easily turn on your Facebook monetization on, but there is a catch. If you go to Facebook page and if this is your Facebook page, this is my Facebook page, which is Petpo, and it's a very new account, so I want to turn on monetization for my Facebook page. Or if you are a video creator, if you want to turn on monetization on for your Facebook page, so this is the process you can do it. So first of all, go to these three here top right corner and click on professional dashboard here, and then you will see that you will in the tools section you will see monetization. If you are eligible, explore ways to earn money on Facebook. So if you want to earn money on Facebook, you need to turn on monetization. So but we need to be eligible first in order to earn money on Facebook. So click on monetization. Let us see if we are eligible. Then you can see in the top left corner, you are not eligible, not yet eligible. As you grow your audience, you will unlock more ways to make money. So that means that you need to be eligible in order to turn on monetization for a Facebook page. So these are the things you need to look around, like stars, ads on reels, bonuses. Let me show you one criteria, which is stars. Click on stars. You can see that you need to reside in an eligible country. You need to follow Facebook content monetization policies. I am not following Facebook content policies, that's why it's given cross sign. As I'm residing in an eligible country, it's given tick sign. I need to have a 500 followers, and I need to have a 500 followers for at least 30 consecutive days. If all these things are ticked right, then I'm eligible for monetization. So you can not only start, you can easily go through the ads on reels, bonuses, live ads, etc. So after, if you're eligible, then you can turn on monetization on Facebook to earn money. So that's all from my side. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do let us in the comment section what kind of Facebook videos you like from us. Thank you.